baby, can I say, oh, wow. It's hard to say goodbye when I'm leaving, yeah. Let me inside.
Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make eggplant parmesan spaghetti. Basically, I've never made it before, but it turned out so good, and I hope you guys enjoy watching me make it for the first time, and I hope you guys will try it at home too. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you. The ingredients we'll be using today for the eggplant parmesan bake, which I'm saying bake, but I'm probably not going to use the oven, and I'm going to add pasta to it. First, I have these Season's Choice eggplant cutlets from Aldi. I have one 16-ounce package of spaghetti, which I'm probably not going to make a full serving, so I'll probably use half of this. I have some Monterey Jack cheese that I'm going to shred, which you can use mozzarella or any kind of cheese that's stretchy that you like. I'm going to use some of this Prego roasted garlic and herb tomato sauce, olive oil, basil, oregano, rosemary, black pepper, and salt. Okay, so before I get started with any of the cooking, I'm boiling some water, and I'm just going to let that get a little hot before I put the pasta in. I'm actually going to put like a dash of salt in the water, half a teaspoon of oil in the water as well. That's just so that the pasta won't stick. I'm only going to make two. You know what? They're a little smaller than I thought. I'm probably going to make more than two. So I saw a lot of recipes online that add squash to it, and I'm going to do that. I'm making a small serving, so about that should be enough. So this is kind of what I'm left with. It's a good amount. I'm going to add a little more oil. Okay, so water's boiling. I'm going to go ahead and add some of this pasta, not all of it, of course. Okay, I'm going to let that boil again. Just gonna add them in with the eggplants. So here's pretty much what it looks like right now. Pasta's boiling. Don't want it to get stuck. Now, I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic salt to this thing. I'm gonna just eyeball it. Okay, I'm gonna throw this up for a moment. I'm going to use this small pot. I'm going to use the whole thing. You know what? Gonna leave that on medium heat for right now. Oh my god, the eggplant smells so good. I'm going to put a little dash of tiny bit of garlic salt, just so they have their own flavor too. I want every bite to have flavor. That's how that's going. Okay, so I'm gonna give it a little taste. That way I know what I'm working with. Okay, it's already pretty flavorful, okay? Don't think I'm gonna add salt. But basil is like a bad bitch. Like, I want to add basil to everything, especially Italian food, right? So, I'm gonna kind of do that. Gonna add some rosemary. Not too much, just a little. And a little tiny bit of oregano. Like, when I say tiny, I mean like tiny, okay? Just a little bit of black pepper. Or lots, I don't know. how these guys came out. Look really crispy. Okay. Just waiting for the sauce to be ready and the squash. Taste test. That's really good, okay? Turn that off. These are super. They're def ready. Okay. First and foremost, I'm gonna add these bad boys back in. Not only that, I'm gonna add the pasta. Then I'm gonna add the sauce. I may have gone a little overboard with the sauce, but you know what? I feel like you can never have too much. I feel like you can never have too much, okay? Make sure everything got covered, okay? Then I'm gonna add the cheese. I'm just gonna let it sit there until the cheese melts, and then it'll be done. Okay, I just want to show you the final product. Guys, tell me that doesn't look so good. Like, wow. So that's it for today's cooking show. Just wanted to let you guys know you could add Parmesan cheese or whatever to your plate. I'm just going to eat it with this leftover shredded cheese. I'm going to put the recipe down in the description. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
Let me inside, them 9 to 5. Just know I'm coming home.